Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at some of the best free AI tools for students. Now, these tools can help with studying, writing the assignments, research, and even learning the new skills faster. So let's go through the few of the most useful ones. First of all, we have ChatGPT. So this AI assistant can help the students understand difficult topics, summarize long articles, explain the concepts in the simple language, and even help generate the study notes or practice the questions. Is great for quick learning support. Next in the list is Grammarly. Grammarly uses AI to improve the writing by checking the grammar, spelling, and sentence clarity. It's especially helpful when writing the essays, reports, or emails. Another useful tool is Canva AI. Students can use Canva AI's features to create the presentations, posters, and visual projects quickly. It helps generate the designs, images, and the layouts automatically. Then we have the Notion AI. So Notion AI is great for organizing the study material. It can summarize the notes, generate the outlines, and help structure assignments or research the projects. Another powerful tool in the list is called Quillbot. Quillbot is going to help rewrite and paragraph or paraphrase the text. Students often use it to improve the writing clarity or rephrase the sentences when working on any kind of essays or assignments. So these are some of the best free AI tools for students that can basically used to study smarter and save time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.